Hello, my aspiring real estate champions. Welcome back to the Real Estate Dojo, your haven for mastering the intricacies of real estate investing. I am your sensei, the Real Estate Sensei, and today, we're peeling back the layers on one of the most critical numbers in your investment journey, renovation costs. But before we dive into the world of hammers and paintbrushes, let me pose a question to spark your renovation wisdom. What's your go-to strategy for tackling unexpected renovation surprises? Share your insights in the comments below. The best tips might just earn you an honorary black belt in real estate renovations. Renovation costs are like the brushstrokes that transform a canvas into a masterpiece. Today, we embark on a journey to decode this art and unveil the step-by-step process of calculating renovation costs. Step 1. The initial property inspection. The first step in our renovation dance is the initial property inspection. Think of it as the pre-battle assessment, where you survey the terrain and identify potential adversaries. This inspection sets the stage for your renovation strategy. Share with me, my fellow renovators, what unexpected challenges have you faced during property inspections? Your tales might just prepare others for their own renovation battles. Drop them in the comments. Step 2. The budgetary sword, creating a renovation plan. Armed with knowledge from the inspection, it's time to wield your budgetary sword and create a renovation plan. Outline each detail, from flooring to fixtures, with a warrior's precision. A well-thought-out plan is your shield against budget overruns. What's your go-to strategy for crafting a renovation plan? Enlighten your fellow investors in the comments. Step 3. The hidden dragons. Contingency budgets. The hidden dragons of renovation. Unexpected surprises that can throw your budget off balance. Prepare for these with a contingency budget, your secret weapon against unforeseen challenges. Share your tales of conquering hidden dragons. What surprises have you encountered, and how did you overcome them? Let's learn from each other in the comments. Step 4. The grand finale, crunching the numbers. And now the grand finale, the art of crunching the numbers. Add up your renovation plan, factor in the contingency budget, and voila. You have the total renovation costs. It's like mastering the final move in a martial arts sequence. How do you ensure your renovation calculations are precise? Share your number crunching techniques in the comments. While our renovation dance is elegant, pitfalls lurk in the shadows. Let me guide you away from these potential traps. Pitfall 1. Underestimating the scale of work. The first pitfall, underestimating the scale of work. It's like facing an opponent blindfolded. You're asking for trouble. Always assess the full scope of renovations to avoid surprises mid-battle. Share your experiences with estimating renovation scale. What lessons have you learned? Drop your wisdom in the comments. Pitfall 2. Overlooking permits and regulations. The second pitfall, overlooking permits and regulations. It's akin to entering a duel without knowing the rules. You might find yourself on the wrong side of the law. Always ensure your renovations comply with local regulations. What permit challenges have you faced? Let's discuss in the comments. And there you have it, my future renovation masters. Calculating renovation costs, the art that transforms your property into a masterpiece. This is just one step in our ongoing series on the numbers every investor must know. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for our next lesson. Your real estate sensei is here to illuminate your path through the complexities of real estate investing. Until next time, may your renovations be swift, your budgets be precise, and your investments be as solid as a well-built fortress. Arigato.